Hey everyone, welcome back to chatterjee unboxing studio. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the highly anticipated OnePlus 13. Let's dive in and see what this flagship device has to offer. Here's the OnePlus 13 in all its glory. The packaging looks sleek and premium as expected from OnePlus. Let's take a look at the accessories included with this device. 100-watt charger, cable and case and SIM removing pin. OnePlus devices are known for their solid build quality. The device have a premium feel like iPhone 16 because of sturdy metal frame and a black matte finish back with Hasselblad logo. Durability meets elegance with an IP69 and IP68 rating. The design is forward-looking and future-proof. Experience the industry's highest levels of water and dust resistance wherever your journey takes you. The all-new record-breaking 2K Pro XDR display, achieving an industry-first DisplayMate A++. Open your eyes to a new level of color accuracy, brightness, and color depth. The display on the OnePlus 13 is AMOLED Plus display with a high refresh rate of 120Hz. It's bright, vibrant, and perfect for watching videos and gaming. This display comes with a lifetime warranty provided by the brand. The performance of this flagship mobile is just awesome because of the powerful and smarter processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite and OnePlus AI with a faster neural engine and improved CPU and GPU and a big jump in memory bandwidth. RAM is 12GB and ROM 256GB. The operating system is Oxygen OS 15 with the OnePlus AI. Experience the power of all new OnePlus AI. Search smarter, crank up your creativity and power your productivity for a smoother digital life. 5th Gen Hasselblad camera for mobile combines a flagship 50MP triple camera system, wide 50MP Sony's LYT 80-weight OIS TX tri-prism telephoto 50MP and an ultra-wide 50MP 120 FOV 1.75-inch sensor size, and front camera is 32 megapixel. The price of this mobile is 65,000 rupees and I think it's a value for money product. Ultra slim OnePlus silicon nano stack battery, our biggest battery ever at 6000 mAh. The amp up your power with 100-watt wired fast charging, delivering up to 100% charge in 36 minutes. 50-watt wireless fast charging for up to 50% charge in 34 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to know more about the OnePlus 13, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If you guys want to purchase this product, please check out the description box and the comment box link.